Hey everybody, so I got a tool haul from Home Depot. The brands I picked up are Husky, GearWrench, Milwaukee. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is everything that I picked up. I picked up the M12 Milwaukee rocket light, dual power tower light, battery and cord. I picked up the Stubby. So the part number for the Milwaukee light is 2132-20. It is just the tool. I picked up the 3/8 Stubby impact wrench, which is part number 2554-20. I picked up this 23-piece titanium drill bit set in 1/4-inch shank from Milwaukee. This was $20. This was $149. This was $179. I've been looking for this GearWrench kit for a very long time. Amazon's selling this kit for like $170 or $80 or something dollars the last time I looked. I guess it was out of stock for a long time. This kit is a 1/4-inch 45-piece slim head ratchet set. It is part number 81032. I picked it up at Home Depot for $59. I picked up the new Milwaukee 4.5-inch trim square. It is part number MLSQ040. Mary, Libra, Sam, Quentin 040. It is also known as a 4.5-inch speed square. I picked up the Milwaukee 7-inch rafter square, which is MLSQ070. It is Mary, Libra, Sam, Quentin 070. I also picked up this Husky digital sliding T-bevel. This is part number 1001389-620. And I also picked up this Husky 5-inch digital angle finder. This one is part number 1001389-615. The next video, I'm doing unboxing of all of these items. Earlier I did a video about picking up some Dremel stuff, including this router attachment that I put. It's a Dremel attachment I put on my Milwaukee. So I'll give you guys my thoughts on that. It worked pretty well. So next video will be the unboxing. Please stick around for that video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.